Today we are going to be reading Open a Book by Jean Basquill. Open a book and you will find people and places of every kind. Open a book and you can be anything you want to be. Open a book and you can share wondrous worlds you find in there. Open a book and I will too. You read to me and I'll read to you. Today we are going to be learning about rhyme scheme. Rhyme scheme is the pattern of rhyme at the end of each line in the poem. As I read through the poem again, I want you all to pay close attention to the words that rhyme. Open a book and you will find people and places of every kind. Open a book and you can be anything you want to be. Open a book and you can share wondrous worlds you find in there. Open a book and I will too. You read to me and I'll read to you. I hope everyone paid close attention to the words that rhyme because now I'm going to be pointing out the rhyme scheme. We're first going to start with the letter A. Book and find do not rhyme, so find will get the letter B. Find and kind do rhyme, so kind will also get the letter B. Kind and book don't rhyme, but book and book have the same ending, so that will get an A. Book and B do not rhyme, and B and kind do not rhyme, so B will get its own letter C. And then you see the repetition of B again, so that will also get a C. Here's the repetition of book again, so book will get the letter A. Then you come across share. Share does not rhyme with book, be, kind, or find. So share will get its own letter D. Share and there do rhyme, so there will also get the letter D. Here's the repetition of book again, and book will get the letter A. Then you come across to that which doesn't rhyme with there, share, book, be, kind, find. So to will get its own letter E. Me rhymes with B, so that will get the letter C. Then you come across you, and to and you rhyme, so you will get the letter E. I'm going to read through the poem one last time, and I want everyone to pay attention to the red highlighted rhyme scheme on the side as I read through. Open a book and you will find people and places of every kind. Open a book and you can be anything you want to be. Open a book and you can share the wondrous worlds you find in there. Open a book and I will too. You read to me and I'll read to you.